Okay, historic moment here. The 21st of November 2020, the Ram Van springs to life. The engine computer was repaired by Lewis and Company Auto Computer Exchange in Florida, and it is running now. This van has not run consistently other than started up about 4 months ago and ran only stumbling, not running smooth like it is now. About 4 months ago, and then it quit altogether, and I suspected the engine computer. So praise the Lord, we're going to watch it heat up. I'll give it a run up and down the street in a few moments here, but we are rejoicing. It is running and working. It sat for the better part of 7 years, so we got a test function, check for leaks. I'll put it up on ramps to make sure that nothing's coming out the bottom or looking funny from all that time sitting. I've only got, I don't know, probably should have a tank full of premium in here. I've got whatever gas I had for the lawnmowers. So, alrighty, praise the Lord. This is so cool. I know Craig and Mimi, our new buyers of this van, will be happy to see it run, and we are delighted to pass it off to them running. So, thanks to Lewis and Auto Computer Exchange. I think his website is also called Neat Computers. They're in Davie, Florida. If anyone's watching this video, I promised him I'd shoot a YouTube, not just for his service. Here's what they did. They rebuilt the engine computer on these Ram vans. This computer, kind of like the Ram trucks, it's right here above the engine, subject to a lot of heat, and could be a better location for sure. But the solder gets weak, the joints go bad, and then the engine and the vehicle stop running well. The tranny can shift funny, the fuel pump can quit, all kinds of weird stuff. So anyhow, praise the Lord. I'll pause this and give her a quick road test and then come back and kind of let you know. Alrighty, so here it is up on ramps. We checked for leaks. I drove it 5 miles, no leaks. Just a lot of smell from 7 years of cobwebs and spider webs and stuff like that all burning off. I will check the catalytic to make sure it's not plugged. It needs 5 gallons of premium in there to really make sure the engine's got everything it needs to run perfectly. Okay, go ahead and start it. So it's starting and idling well. Really, frankly, I drove about like I remember it. Chassis is perfect. You can tell it's like a man awakened from a long night's sleep, a really long night's sleep. But like there's no smoke, no oil. This thing never did use any oil. So anyhow, the generator light was on. The alternator's not charging for some reason. So it does have the alternator, probably alternator needs replacing, I'm guessing. And but other than that, I'm charging the battery manual, and we'll give it 5 more gallons premium, another test drive. So many thanks to Auto Computer Exchange and .com, Lewis in Davie, Florida. I know he's got a couple other business names, but that's how I contacted him. And another success story. Thank you so much, Lewis, for having your tech fix the ECM PCM on this 96 Dodge Ram van. Really appreciate your great, quick service. You had it back to me in exactly a week's time. So what a blessing you are. I know you're a Christian, and God bless you for your great service, customer service, and attitude. Thank you so much. And Craig, the buyer of this van, will be really happy to see it running. So thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.